Did you ever get angry and storm into a business demanding to know who's in charge? That's what we should do now with the U.S. Congress. More to the point, that's what Democratic members in both houses should do. Article 1, Section 5 of the Constitution says that each house shall be the judge of the qualification of its own members. That means that if a member's qualification to sit in the Senate or Congress should ever come into question, the other members of that house must decide the issue by majority vote. Voting on qualification of a member is not the same as voting to expel, which would require a concurrence of 2/3. The questionable member would not be eligible to vote on his qualification due to the legal principle of recusal. Recusal requires the withdrawal of a judge from an issue on the grounds that he is unqualified to perform his legal duty because of a possible conflict of interest or lack of impartiality. Section 3 of the 14th Amendment says that no person shall be a senator or representative in Congress if he has given aid or comfort to an insurrectionist. Section 5 of that same amendment says that Congress shall have power to enforce Section 3. That means the decision of either house is unassailable from any other branch, executive or judicial. So let's do the math. The first one is easy. There are 100 senators, 43 of them voted to give aid and comfort to Trump when they voted against his impeachment. Therefore, only 57 senators can vote on the qualification of those 43. A majority vote finding them disqualified would be 30. There are currently 45 Democrat senators. As for the representatives, there are supposed to be 435 of them. 197 voted against impeaching Trump, thereby giving him aid and comfort. After subtracting 197 from 435, that leaves only 238 representatives eligible to vote on the qualification of the 197. A majority vote finding them disqualified would be 120. There are currently 213 Democratic representatives. What should be done? Democrats in both houses should call for a vote on the qualification of those respective members who gave aid and comfort to Trump in accordance with Article 1, Section 5 of the Constitution and as required by the 14th Amendment. New leadership should immediately assume control of both houses and impeachment proceedings should be initiated against Trump. This country is begging for someone to step forward and legally save us from the craziness of the Trump criminal organization. Democrats especially want to see their representatives fight for this country.